Urban trees provide many benefits to communities, but they can also become the source of disagreements. Because trees grow in shared spaces and affect many people, urban forestry professionals frequently encounter conflicts between stakeholders. For example, a resident may request that a tree be removed because it drops leaves or blocks sunlight. Another resident may strongly oppose removing the same tree because it provides shade and beauty. Developers may want to remove trees to make space for construction. Meanwhile, city officials may want to preserve those trees because of their environmental value. Urban foresters must often navigate these competing perspectives. Managing these situations effectively requires strong communication and conflict resolution skills. One of the first steps in resolving conflicts is listening carefully to stakeholder concerns. People often feel strongly about trees, especially those located near their homes. By listening respectfully and acknowledging concerns, urban foresters can build trust with community members. The next step is providing clear information. Many conflicts arise because people may not fully understand the role of urban trees or the policies that guide their management. Urban foresters can help resolve misunderstandings by explaining the benefits of trees, the reasons behind management decisions, and the potential consequences of different actions. For example, if a resident requests the removal of a healthy tree, the urban forester may explain the environmental benefits the tree provides, such as shade, stormwater management, and improved air quality. They may also explain the city's policies regarding tree preservation. Sometimes conflicts involve legitimate safety concerns. If a tree shows signs of structural instability or disease, removal may be the safest option. In these cases, urban foresters often conduct a tree risk assessment to evaluate the likelihood of failure and the potential consequences. Sharing the results of these assessments can help stakeholders understand why certain actions are recommended. Another important strategy in conflict resolution is seeking compromise solutions. For example, instead of removing a tree entirely, pruning may address concerns about overhanging branches. In other situations, replacement planting may help balance the loss of a tree. Urban forestry professionals must also be familiar with local tree ordinances and policies. These regulations often guide decisions about tree removal, planting, and maintenance. By following established policies, urban foresters ensure that decisions are consistent and transparent. Maintaining fairness and consistency helps build trust with the community. Finally, public education plays an important role in preventing conflicts. When residents understand the value of urban trees and the goals of urban forestry programs, they are more likely to support management decisions. Community workshops, public meetings, and educational outreach can help strengthen these relationships. For the ISA Urban Forest Professional Exam, remember that effective communication, clear information, and understanding stakeholder concerns are key strategies for resolving urban forestry conflicts. Exam questions may emphasize the importance of balancing community concerns with urban forest management goals. Today we explored how urban forestry professionals address conflicts and work with communities to manage trees and shared spaces. By listening carefully, communicating clearly, and applying consistent policies, urban foresters can resolve disagreements and maintain public trust. But effective communication involves more than resolving conflicts. In the next podcast, we'll explore public outreach and education and how urban forestry programs engage communities to support urban forests. You've been listening to the Arborist-podcast. Our goal is to grow our collective knowledge, one domain at a time. If you enjoyed the podcast, please like, share, and subscribe to help us keep this momentum. Until next time, let's keep growing this community together.